Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making potato salad. You will need 7 Yukon potatoes, 6 boiled eggs, 2 cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 cup of onion, 2 celery stalks, 1 tablespoon of chicken broth powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add your water to a pot, then bring to a light simmer. Now add your chicken broth powder and mix until dissolved. Now add your potatoes. Maintain a gentle boil and allow your potatoes to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until your potatoes are tender and easily pierced with the fork. After the potatoes are done, turn off the heat, then drain the potatoes in a colander. To a large bowl, add your mayonnaise, yellow mustard, Dijon mustard, and relish. Now mix until all ingredients are well combined. Now add your onion, celery, and boiled eggs. Add your potatoes, then season with your salt, pepper, and paprika. If you would like a printable version of this recipe, visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. Now mix until all your ingredients are well combined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grasp